Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Enriching Minds. Today we are going to learn what are all the operations in our rational number concepts. This is the last part of our chapter. Here today we are going to learn what are all the operations in rational numbers are done. Come on, now let's go into this chapter. Subtraction of rational numbers. Here, if you see the subtraction of rational numbers, here these are in the previous video we have seen how to add. In this video, we'll learn how to subtract, multiply, and division. Now, here subtraction of rational numbers. For any two irrational numbers, a and b and c, a by b and c by d are the rational numbers. We define that a by b is minus c by d is equals to a by b plus minus c by d. You have to reciprocal it, and then you have to add it. That's your that's your subtraction value. For example, here if you see that the 6 by 8 minus 2 by 5 is equals to 14 by 13, as we reciprocal them. Here let's see how to reciprocal rational numbers. Here there is a different type of method how to reciprocal them. Here that's how we learn. The next slide. Here again I'll come back to this slide for this example. Inver- Conversions, inversions. Here inversions means you have to reciprocal it, and reciprocal inversions. Here are two positive numbers, denominator and numerator are positive numbers. So if you reciprocal it, the numerator would be negative. And here in if numerator is positive and numerator is negative and denominator is positive, then the numerator will change the numerator will change to positive integer, and denominator stay as it is in its negative form. And here if you reciprocal, if the denominator is negative and numerator is positive, then the numerator would be negative and the denominator would be positive when we reciprocal it. And if both of them are negative, so and afterwards when we reciprocal the both of them will be positive. This is how we uh, reciprocal it. And now you may understood the example which I showed over there. Here you have to reciprocal it and then add it instead of subtracting. Multiplication of rational numbers. We just have to multiply numerator and denominator. Yes, this is how we multiply. Here if you see 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 by 4. So 5 into 3, 15. 8 into 4, 32. This is how we multiply rational numbers. It is very easy, and you may and this rational numbers is also just like fractions. Even fractions, you have learned that you have to multiply numerator, numerator, and denominator. But in the previous chapter you had learned integers. In integers you may learn that the how to multiply negative and positive, or positive and positive, or negative and negative integers. Here you have to apply the same rule and just multiply simply, and just divide it. This is how we multiply rational numbers. Now let's see how to divide fractions. Here if you see, for any rational numbers a by b and c by d, we define that a by b is divided by c by d. So a by b multiplied by minus c by d, we reciprocal it and then multiply. In our multiplication formula, there we had learned we reciprocal it and then divide it. Now we reciprocal it in the yeah sorry in a subtraction, we reciprocal it and then add it. Here in division, here we first reciprocal it and then multiply it. Reciprocal and multiply. For example, if you see here 7 by 15 divided by 2 by 3, which is equals to minus 4 by 5. Here this is how here if you divide, you reciprocal it and then multiply. Now let's see some exercises. Here now I'll just read out these exercises. You may note down these. Next slide I'll show you what are all these answers. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 7, 7 by 15 divided by 2 by 3, 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 8, minus 5 by 6 multiplied uh, subtracted by minus 2 by 5 minus 8 by 35 divided by 2 by 7. Yes, now I'll show you these question answers. Solutions. 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 is equals to minus 1 by 12, and 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by 7 is equals to 10 by 21. 7 by 15 by 7 by 15 divided by 2 by 3 is equal to 7 by 10. 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 5 by 8 is equals to minus 15 by 32. Minus 5 by 6 minus 2 by 5 is equals to 11 by 35. And minus 8 by 35 divided by 2 by 7 is equals to minus 4 by 5. I understood. I hope so. You understood this rational number concept. Here we had learned many operations in our rational number. Now we are done with our chapter. I will see you in the next video. Here, I hope so. You have no any doubts. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. It's open for you. Thank you.